Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to present and discuss an internal journal article titled The Role of Internal Audit Procedure in Preventing Fraud, Analysis of Effectiveness and Implementation. This article was written by Adevani Meilani and Arfan Iksan and published in 2025. I chose this article because fraud is still one of the biggest problems faced by many companies and organizations today. Fraud can cause financial losses, reduce public trust, and damage a company's reputation. Because of that, companies need effective internal audit procedure to help prevent fraud and improve company control system. This article explains how internal audit procedure can help organizations detect and prevent fraud more effectively. In this presentation, I will explain the important points from the article, why this research is important, the theoretical framework, the research method and participant, the result of the study, and the conclusion. First, abstract and important points. This article discusses the role of internal audit procedure in preventing fraud inside organization. The researchers explain that fraud can happen in many forms such as misuse of company money, manipulation of financial reports, corruption, and unauthorized transaction. Because fraud can seriously harm organization, companies need strong internal audit system to monitor business activities and reduce fraud opportunities. The article explained that internal audit procedures are important because they help companies monitor financial activities, evaluate internal control, identify weakness, and detect suspicious activities earlier. The main purpose of this study was to analyze how effective internal audit procedures are in preventing fraud and how these procedures are implemented in organizations. The study also wanted to understand whether internal audit procedures help improve transparency and accountability inside companies. The research showed that most respondents believe internal audit procedures are effective in reducing fraud risks. The study also found that companies with better audit procedures usually have stronger control system and better supervision. Overall, the article concludes that internal audit procedures play an important role in improving fraud prevention and supporting better organizational management. Next, why this research is important? This research is important because fraud is still a serious issue in many companies and organizations around the world. Today, business manage large amounts of money, data, and financial transactions every day. Without proper monitoring system, employees or managers may misuse company resources for personal benefit. Fraud can happen in many different ways. For example, employees may steal company money, manipulate accounting records, create fake transactions, or misuse company assets. This action can create major financial losses and damage the company's image. This article is important because it explains how internal audit procedure can help companies reduce fraud risks and improve supervision. Internal audit procedures help organizations check whether company activities follow policy and regulation properly. Auditors also help identify weakness in internal control before bigger problems happen. For example, internal auditors may review financial transactions, check company documents, monitor business operation, and evaluate internal control system. The article is also relevant today because businesses are becoming more digital and more complex. Companies now use computerized accounting system and online financial reporting, which means fraud risks can become more difficult to detect. Because of this, companies need stronger audit system and better monitoring procedure to protect company assets and financial information. For example, in many companies, fraud happens because there is weak supervision or poor internal control system. Sometimes, employees can manipulate financial data or misuse company money without being detected immediately. There are also cases where companies experience financial losses because transactions are not monitored properly. This shows that internal audits are very important to help companies detect problems earlier and reduce fraud opportunities. Besides financial losses, fraud can also damage a company's reputation and reduce public trust. That is why organizations need strong internal audit procedure and professional auditors. In my opinion, this topic is very important for accounting students because future accountants and auditors will have a big responsibility in maintaining transparency and preventing fraud in organization. Next, theoretical framework. The theoretical framework of this article focuses on the relationship between internal audit procedure and fraud prevention. The first concept discussed in the article is internal audit procedure. Internal audit procedure are activities performed by auditors to evaluate company operation and internal control. This procedure help organizations ensure that company activities follow policy, regulation, and ethical standards. The article explained that effective audit procedure can reduce opportunities for fraud because employees know their activities are being monitored regularly. Example of internal audit procedure include checking financial records, reviewing transaction documents, evaluating internal control, and monitoring company activities. The second concept discussed in this study is fraud prevention. Fraud prevention refers to action taken by organizations to reduce the possibility of fraud happening inside the company. The researchers explain that fraud prevention becomes more effective when companies have clear procedure, regular supervision, strong internal control, and professional auditors. Another important concept discussed in this article is internal control system. Internal controls are systems designed to protect company assets, ensure accurate financial reporting, improve operational efficiency, and reduce fraud risks. The article explained that strong internal control support the effectiveness of internal audit procedure. The article also explained that internal auditors are not only responsible for checking financial reports, they also help management improve company system and reduce operational risks. Internal auditors can provide recommendations to improve company procedure, strengthen supervision, and increase accountability inside the organization. Because of that, internal auditors have an important role in helping companies achieve better governance and transparency. Overall, the theoretical framework shows that effective internal audit procedure and strong internal control help organizations reduce fraud opportunities and improve accountability. Next, for the method, participant, data analysis, and result. The study used a quantitative research method. The researchers collected the data using questionnaire distributed to participants involved in financial management and internal audit activities. The participants in this study consisted of internal auditors and finance managers from several companies in Medan, Indonesia. The total number of participants in this study was 25 respondents. The researchers used questionnaire to collect information about the effectiveness of internal audit procedure, fraud prevention practice, and internal control implementation inside organization. After collecting the data, the researchers analyzed the responses using statistical analysis to evaluate the relationship between internal audit procedure and fraud prevention. The result showed that internal audit procedure have a positive impact on fraud prevention. The study found that 68% of respondents agreed that internal audit procedures are effective in preventing fraud. 76% stated that audit procedures are implemented consistently inside the company, and 70% believe that internal audit positively influence company culture and accountability. The researchers explained that organizations with better audit procedure usually have stronger supervision system and lower fraud risks. The study also found that regular monitoring and proper implementation of audit procedure help companies identify problems earlier and improve company transparency. The researchers also explained that organizations with consistent audit procedure usually create a better work environment because employees become more careful in following company policies and regulation. When employees know that company activities are monitored properly, the possibility of fraud becomes lower. The study also showed that internal audit procedures help management make better decisions because the information provided becomes more accurate and reliable. Overall, the results support the idea that internal audit procedures are very important for reducing fraud opportunities and improving organizational control system. Next, the conclusion. In conclusion, this article explains that internal audit procedures play a very important role in fraud prevention. The study proved that companies with effective audit procedure and strong internal control are more capable of reducing fraud risks and improving company accountability. The research also showed that internal audits help organizations identify weakness, monitor business activities, and improve transparency. Another important point from this article is that companies need consistent supervision and regular evaluation to maintain effective fraud prevention system. In today's business environment, companies face many financial and operational risks. Because of that, organizations need professional auditors and effective monitoring system to protect company assets and maintain public trust. In my opinion, this article is very useful because it shows that fraud prevention is not only management responsibility, but also the responsibility of auditors and of employees inside the organization. After reading this article, I realized that internal auditing is not only about checking mistakes or finding fraud. Internal auditors also help companies improve their system and maintain accountability. In the future, I think the role of internal auditors will become even more important because businesses are becoming more digital and more complex. As future accountants or auditors, we need to improve about our accounting knowledge and our ethical values so we can help organizations operate honestly and transparently. Overall, this article shows that internal audit procedures are an important part of organizational success and fraud prevention. So that's the end of my presentation. From this article, we can learn that internal audit procedures are very important in preventing fraud and improving company accountability. The article also shows that companies need strong internal controls, consistent monitoring, and professional auditors to maintain reliable business operation. I also learned that the role of auditor is not only checking financial reports but also helping organizations improve transparency, supervision, and fraud prevention system. Thank you for watching and listening. Thank you. Bye.